Moving on to our next contender, we have the electric kettle. This modern marvel has become increasingly popular due to its convenience and speed. Electric kettles work by heating water using an electric element, providing a rapid boiling time. One of the significant advantages of electric kettles is their speed. They can quickly bring water to a boil, saving you precious time in your busy schedule. Moreover, many electric kettles have built-in temperature controls, allowing you to choose the ideal temperature for different types of tea, ensuring a perfect brew every time.